Buongiorno a tutti. Thanks for joining me again in my little kitchen here in Lecce in the south of Italy. My name is Francesco and today I'm going to show you another simple and delicious pasta dish that you can make in just the time it takes for your water to come up to the boil and the pasta to cook. The great thing about Italian food is that you can make such wonderful dishes using such humble ingredients as a small tin of tuna today, a handful of cherry tomatoes, a little bit of onion, some olives, capers, a little bit of celery, parsley, salt and pepper, and a good extra virgin olive oil. That's all you're going to need. Effectively, this dish is not even going to cost €2 per person. So I hope you enjoy the recipe. I'm going to for sure. If you do, please give me a thumbs up, leave a comment below, subscribe to my channel, and come back and follow me for more. Let's cook. For today's recipe you are going to need about 100 grams of fusilli bucati or your pasta of choice, 9 or 10 olives, a tablespoon of capers, a small can of tuna, 9 or 10 cherry tomatoes, a medium-sized onion, the leafy part of a stalk of celery, and some parsley. Begin by peeling and chopping half of a medium-sized onion. Next, finely chop a small bunch of parsley. Adding a small piece of celery, in particular the leaves, will give a good depth of flavour to the pasta. The cherry tomatoes need just to be cut in half, or if they're larger, in quarters. Start your pasta water boiling, and in the meantime add a good splash of olive oil to your frying pan, the chopped onion, the celery leaves, and a pinch of salt. The salt will help to bring out the natural juices of the onion, the natural sugars, and the best flavour. It will also cook more quickly. Before you put the salt down, don't forget to salt your pasta water well. Now that the onions have started to sweat, we can add the cherry tomatoes. Stir fry the tomatoes for a couple of minutes until they begin to soften. Then you can add the capers and the olives, mix these in too, and let everything cook together. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Stir fry everything together on a moderate heat until your pasta water comes up to the boil. When it does come up to the boil, add a ladleful to your frying pan and you will soon see that you'll have a sauce as if by magic. Toss everything together and get everything blended together well. The tomatoes will soon cook down and you'll have a lovely, rich sauce in the time that your pasta takes to cook. The pasta has a cooking time of about 11 minutes, so I'm going to cook mine just for 8 minutes or so, and then I'm going to finish everything together in the frying pan in the sauce. As you can see, the tomatoes are cooking down. Give them a squash, squeeze out the juice, and soon you will have, as if by magic, a wonderful sauce. Keep adding a little water to the frying pan, just a little at a time, and the sauce will begin to develop all by itself. The juice of the tomatoes will seep out and the sauce will become more red and more rich, as you can see. Now add the tuna, which you don't want to cook for too long. Add this at the last minute. Add your pasta when it is still very al dente. As I said, we want to finish it cooking in the sauce so the sauce cooks into the pasta and it develops a rich flavour. Also, the starch of the pasta will help to thicken the sauce. Add a good pinch of parsley, stir it in well, and you're ready to serve. Add a final light sprinkle of parsley, a good drizzle of olive oil, grind with some fresh black pepper, and enjoy. Buon appetito!